Hello everyone, I thought I'd do a quick video today about this new pull rack. As you can see, I've got a few pull racks here, and I basically got this as a gift for Christmas. So basically it allows you to hold 8 cues and put some balls across and store your chalk on top on that ledge here. So I just wanted to show you it really. However, I've been having a few problems. So it's basically called a COSTWAY pull rack, sold by holomall on Amazon. But the problem I'm experiencing is, quite simply put, they haven't cut the holes here where they've put these plastic clips on big enough. So as you can see, when I try and push that in, it just won't fit. Now that's just a standard pull cue, sorry, snooker cue. I have another 2-part professional snooker cue here. This is the Canon one. Again, that won't fit in either. So, you know, the company came back to me and says, can you try them all? And I have done. Let's just pick up this standard Foster's cue that you would find in a pub or something. See if that fits. Nope, don't fit. And guess what their response was? Unscrew some of the screws, and that's going to make a difference, is it? What? Unscrewing it, making it wobbly like that is going to make it fit, is it? Well, it sort of does, but look, is that any good, guys? Do you think you would be happy having it like that? I think their suggestion of just unscrewing the screws is a joke, because look, what, it's going to move, isn't it? It's not going to stay in place. Would you be happy putting that up on your wall? Let me know in the comments. But I just don't think that's good enough. You know. So what you're going to do? Just leave it loose like that? I don't think so. In order to make it fit. So it fits like that, but that's not the point. The point is, when it's screwed in properly, you're supposed to be able to slot it in without damaging your cue, but I can't. So I just thought I'd do this little video so the company can see this. In my opinion, they've not cut these circular holes big enough. Now I could potentially sand this down to make, obviously allow there to be enough room in between when it goes in and opens it up to hold the cue. The only problem with that is I don't know what sort of paint they've used. I don't know if I got some black paint, would it match that black paint? And it would look odd. And when you buy something new, you expect it to fit. And if you look at the feedback on amazon.co.uk, what you'll find is there's a lot of people having difficulty putting their cues in the slots, and it seems to me they've just not made the circular area here wide enough so when the clips go in, there's enough space for the cue to clear and get clipped in. So thought I'd just show you the problem I've been having. I think their suggestion of just unscrewing the screws isn't good enough, because more than likely if you pull that out, you know, it's just loose like that. I don't like that at all. Let me know in the comments, would you, another one falling on the floor, would you be happy to accept it like that? I don't know. But I thought I'd just show you in the comments, show you the video. You put your comments down, let me know what you think. That's a COSTWAY pull rack. Bit disappointing when I put it together, when you know the cues just will not fit. If I take this Foster's cue again and try and fit it in, you know, it just won't go. So in order to get this to fit, you have to unscrew that allows this to come out a bit more, so then it'll clear, but that's not good enough. Anyway, thought I'd just show you. Let me know in the comments what you think. In principle, it's a nice little thing to, you know, put your cues in and then have some pull balls, you know, arranged in sort of a display there. and then obviously you put some chalk on the top here. But I just thought I'd show you the problems I've been having with this. Let me know what you would do. But I think the company's suggestion of just unscrewing the screws really isn't good enough. It ain't. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a nice day.